esteemed colleague, good afternoon. Today this one is the third class on the subject emergence of positivism on scientific study. Especially this subject has link with the process of research or research methodology. At the same time, this class has importance for the students of sociology as well as the students of philosophy, political science, education, and all categories of students are to know sociology. By knowing sociology, we can understand positivism, and by understanding positivism, we can come to know about all the new developments or changes those have taken place in the field of modern research of social sciences, at the same time research in totality. Dignified participants, this one is 36th number YouTube class, and before starting the class today, I just want to express my sense of gratitude to Google authorities for taking help for the photographs and diagrams. At the same time, it is Mr. Binod Chandra Pathak, BC Pathak sir. He was the former president of the governing body of my institute, and he is one of the senior advocates, and he is a revered teacher of law, and especially he can be treated as one of my administrative gurus, who by giving feedback suggested some of the important omissions for inclusions just observing or witnessing the last class. Let us come back. Next time I also convey my sense of gratitude to the technical support hand, that is Mr. Harish Pathak. Actually, my college is under, it has been occupied as one of the quarantine centers, and that's why for continuation of the classes from my residence, Mr. Pathak helped me to get all the technological assets. So I must have to convey my sense of gratitude to him too. At the same time, my dearest daughter, she is one of the students of MSc Zoology of second semester of Bhattodev University, and her name is Brigati Sharma, because her times have been used by me for your benefit. Revered teachers and researchers, in this class I must have to say something new. If you have any queries after the observation of the classes, or if you do have any suggestion or suggestions, or any demand of any specific area or areas, please contact with me by my mail ID, which is given here. M Sharma, M should be small, this is not capital, it should be small, you should better write it. M Sharma.tihu@gmail.com, but M should be small letter. And my WhatsApp number is 7637808053. Dignified scholars, all the revered teachers, all the learners, let us begin the class. This is the third class. Actually, the subject area, positivism, is a very much extensive area. In any discipline, you will find the influence of positivism or presence of positivism. As the subject area is very much extensive and vast, it is not so much easy to help you get all information in one or two classes. I place before you that for the completion of all the discussions, we are to continue at least 10 classes. So our discussions should be complete. On this actually whole chapter has been prepared for one of my books, that is Research Methodology. The book was published in 2010 by Eastern Book House, and the new edition is to published now. They are to publish the new edition, and for the new edition, 130 pages of this chapter has been completed, and the basic information concerning to the subject area of positivism has been placed before you for your help, as because you people are myself is we are out of academic establishments, and that's why we never can spend our time without any academic engagement, and that's why this class has special significance or importance for you. Sociology, if you see the last class, then you will see this class has link with the last class. Thus means I discussed that it is the science of society, and it has influence on all the subject areas of all these disciplines, and it is the study of human relations, institutions, behavior, and its origins and development for the uplift of life order and the social order for the greater interest of the progress of society in grand scale. The study of sociology is very useful because it helps us understand society and why people think the way they think and why they do what they do for the interest of peaceful existence of life and development of common culture of living. Friends, culture has special importance. I told you that without the respect for the established values, without the concern for the customs and tradition of the society where we are living in, we never can help humanity proceeds towards the point of development or proceeds to the uppermost point of advancement of civilization. And culture is one of the important areas, one of the important areas. It manifests the internal excellence of human intelligence, and that's why culture has concern for all people or people of all areas. Our social behavior, which has the concern of study of sociology, and it has the linkage of all this with all the study areas of all the branches of study. Business ethics, if we study, means for the success of business, honesty has specific importance. Then second one is protection. We want to protect ourselves from rain, from thunderstorm, from hailstorm, and for the protection of business, there is the need of some kind of protection. Integrity has special importance, and that's why before starting the class today, I express my sense of gratitude because all the revered, dignified personalities, they are suggesting me that I should better, express sense of gratitude. At the same time, I must have to write the references, but I have not written today. I will help you know or get all the information in the last class, but other things have been included. Decision is one of the important uses for any success. Decision is one of the important matter. Relationships has special importance. Regulations do have importance. Trust, without trust, we never can exist in society. We never can live all together. And behavior is very much important, and commitment has special importance. For success in any area, commitment has speciality. Because if we do not become committed, suppose the country has demanded so many things from us now at this critical moment of the attack of COVID-19. Social situations have been sensed, human demands have been sensed, cultural demands have been sensed. We are socially isolated, distancing from each other, and at this critical time we are to support each other, because you have come through or you have come to know about the incidents of the cinema area. Because of the depression, one greatest actor has committed suicide. It's a very much pathetic information or news for us. And that's why we have to be committed to help each other, support each other. And commitment has special importance for the success of our social life. Let us go back to the next slide. Social behavior of the insect. You see, not only in case of man, but in case of insect also there is social behavior. Clubbing is there, they are working all together. So, unity has special importance. Without unity, we never can achieve success or we never can achieve target. And for this, the diagram which I have shown you, placed before you, that has special importance. Let us see the next one. This is very much important to our social behavior. Means we are, you see, closely connected, somehow culturally, mentally, psychologically, physiologically even. And there is connections between different disciplines, among different disciplines. And for all the people are to contribute from the side of, from the field of all discipline for the prosperity and welfare of human life, advancement of civilization. Let us see. Sociology does help us in understanding in more lucid and better manner about the roles of ourselves and our people, cultures and environments for the constitution of society and its progress. It helps to realize the nature and importance of the roles of man's innate potentialities for the constitution and development of common life order so as to gain all necessary elements and find ways from such common platform for leading peaceful life with every possibility of transformation. Friends, I told you, I mentioned about you before you I place the great saying of Uri Azarov. He is one of the famous writers of former Soviet Russia, means Russia, Soviet Union, and he wrote one good book, that is Aesthetics. In Aesthetics, you see, Uri Azarov explained very nicely about the role of man in social platform. Man makes society and society makes man. Friends, without negating the influence of society, we never can achieve the target of excellence, establishment of our excellence in human social life. Our identity is also very much closely connected with our social behavior. Let us see the next slide. In science economic situation, it has changed totally by unifying different subject areas. In its own area, sociology has long been shortlisted its purpose for understanding in totality how human actions and consciousness have been shaped and have continuously been shaping, you see, with the influence of the surrounding, means shaping by surrounding culture and social structure with the influence of the surrounding and the thoughts and activities of man and community living cultures. Friends, whatever we are doing for the welfare of life. Whatever we are contributing for the transformation of our civilization. Whatever we are doing for the uplift of our own life. And that's why there is the need of understanding the social demand, because our identity has linkage with our social platform. So friends, whatever may be the study area of ourselves, we are to be concerned in knowing about or understanding the sociological, you see, contents and sociology in nice manner. And for doing so, if we are to understand positivism, means if we are to know the change research methodologies, then we must have to study sociology in nice manner. Let us go back to this. Thus, with a solid foundation of structure and understanding of the patterns of social behavior and of the impact of the intersectionality of race, class, gender, common habit pattern, common cultural specialities, common code of conduct, civilization, etc., the study of sociology has been insisting on helping everybody in understanding society for the purpose of peaceful and progressive existence in society, the common place or platform of living. So friends, society is the common platform of living, and for the progress of this common platform, our contributions do have special importance. And for the protection of the common platform, our conduct is to be constructed or constituted as per the demand of social values. And that's why all these things, even the legal parameter has also linkage with sociology, because all the concerns of all the subject areas are the concerns of human welfare of human life, progress of human life, advancement of human society, social order, and development of human civilization, uplift of life order. So friends, for protecting as well as developing common platform of living, there is the importance of, you see, importance of for the contribution of human excellence or human reach intelligence for total development. Let us go to the next slide. As a composite discipline in sociology, it has been always helping people understand life order in better manner and realize the value of culture for the transformation of life order in an ever-sensing environment. The environment has been ever-sensing, it has been sensing, and we are bound to cope with the changed situations. Now, COVID-19 again, I am coming back. Total situation has been sensed, and we never can, you see, we never can stay without, we never can sit without any work. We have to adjust to the changed situation, otherwise our existence will be at stake. So friends, for the protection of our existence, we must have to learn all the important, you see, all the important techniques as well as skills for adjusting ourselves with the changed environment and situation. Whatever may be our area. Suppose as a teacher, myself has been, you see, adjusting with this new situation, and you, the students or participants, are bound to become so much acquainted with the new changes in the process of transaction of human information and knowledge from one angle to the other. Because we are out of classroom situation, and that's why in domestic laboratory, my class is going on, and this class is to reach you hundreds of students or hundreds of revered teachers who are away from me. You are not before me. Still, I am transacting or disseminating my ideas to you. And I could, if I had much more time, I could, you see, help you understand every word which carries so much importance for understanding the sociology, understanding the subject sociology, at the same time developing proper concept of positivism, at the same time knowing about research methodology in detailed manner. But this class is a technical class, and we have to complete the class either within 20 to 25 minutes, and that's why I do not have so much chance to explain everything else, every word you are to study. You are to be sincere at the time of, you see, going through the slides, because you are to understand every word, because these things do have special importance for your life, at the same time for your academic, you see, for the satisfaction of your academic demands. The study of sociology in common parlance is the study of the lives of human groups and societies and how we interact with all such events for the interest of the progress and stability of life in the universe. The question of life is stability, and the question it has is the stability of the universe. If the universe become unstable, if life become unstable, then knowledge will not do anything else. Our knowledge is for helping you see to achieve the target of progress, to help you see the parameter of stability of life. At the same time, we have to protect the universe where we are existing. If we destroy the universe, then our existence will be at stake. Let us go to the next slide. In the senses of time, many senses in all parts of life have been taking place, and as a result, humanity has since the beginning of human life in the planet been observing and witnessing dramatic social times occurred because of the massive changes in society in the form of socio-political upheavals and natural occurrences. Such catalysms, both man or from the natural, have been leading humanity towards the formation of the modern world. And that's why you see COVID-19, the post-COVID situation, we expect that new social order will come out. There will be new grouping of world or nations. There will be new grouping. New things will come out, or new things will come to our life. So we have to be ready now, because things have been changing so much rapidly, and we must have to cope with the changed situations. And COVID-19 has threatened the existence of humanity as a whole. And this has, you see, this means this changed situation has warned us to be ready, to be ready, so that we can become so much skilled to adjust to the coming, you see, order of society, coming the new clubs of nations. Let us go to the, after a sense of living pattern and new development, because of the relentless striving for progressive and peaceful notion of survival, the development of sociology as a discipline emerged in the 19th century in response to modernity, so as to help humanity know own past in detail, live in common life platform in the present, and prepare a correct plan for peaceful existence. This has importance. prepare correct plan for peaceful existence. This is the demand of the present situation. Because if you are in the field of science, then too you are to think, or you are bound to think about the preparation. You are to contribute for the preparation of correct plan for peaceful existence in the future without any doubt of disruption of the continuity of living order in peaceful manner. So friends, without there may be any disruption, because we have received, from the point of view of scientific knowledge, we have received the climax point. We are claiming that we have received the climax point of development. But what happens today? We are bound to surrender before the attack of the smallest virus, and we are staying away from everything else so that simply we can protect our life existence, because existence has the special importance, and without existence nothing you can do for the benefit of your life, for the prosperity of your society, for the progress of your civilization, and for the progress of human life order in totality. Let us go back to the need. Thus, from the beginning of existence, sociology as a special discipline concerning to the studies of all areas of life of man and other living beings and things has been insisting on the inclusion of all aspects and areas of life and living in its own area, so that everybody gets the opportunity of studying life and the surrounding in more lucid and systematic manner. It has also been helping people in understanding the factors responsible for the change and transformation of society and social customs and traditions with the changes of time. So if we do not understand time, concerning to time, there is a good saying. You see, you are to remember perhaps 35th President of the United States of America, John F. Kennedy, concerning or the following time, this assessing the importance of time. J.F. Kennedy, John F. Kennedy, the Honorable 35th President of the United States of America, said, and I like to place before you that the world, the time and world do not stand still. Change is the law of nature. Time do not stand still. You see, world do not stand still. Life does not stand still. We are sensing, if you stand before a mirror and if you go back to your, past life, then you will be able to calculate how things have been sensing even in you. If things are sensing in you, then you can assess by assessing the changes which have taken place in your own physiological feature. Then you can assess yourself that society has also been changing just like the changes which have been taking place in your physiological as well as psychological parameters. It has also been helping people know in detailed manner about the reasons of changes of culture and civilization with the changes of living pattern and the increase and enhancement of facilities of living in all areas. Furthermore, it has been helping people understand how the changes of civilization increase the challenges of living opportunities. There is a good saying which has been, I just have to quote before you. It is John Dewey, the great American educationist. He is a pragmatist. He is one of the pragmatists. Means Dewey has linkage with the philosophy of pragmatism. And there is a good book which is being written by John Dewey, which was published in 1916, Democracy and Education. If we are to understand democracy, we must have to study John Dewey's masterpiece, which was published in 1916 by Macmillan. So friends, Dewey said more civilization means more problems. More civilization means more challenges. More civilization means more diversities. And if we fail to learn to cope with the challenges, then our life will be at stake. Means we will be nowhere. We will not be able to establish our identity from the point of either knowledge, from the point of our cultural excellence, from the point of view of our political exercises, from the point of view of our economic exercises, from the point of view of our administrative capabilities, from the point of view of our legal expertise, whatever it may be. Let us go to the next. And know about the necessary requirement of sensing the habit and behavior of sustenance of life so as to cope with such challenges by availing the opportunities these challenges bring forward. By studying sociology, people realize the gravity of the demand of constant renewal of knowledge and importance of continuous increase of information with the acquisition of technical skills for the nourishment of life as per the call of chance time. Friends, you see there is a constant renewal of knowledge has importance. We say in 1970 I got letters in five subjects. But today your knowledge is out of order because you have failed to bring constant changes towards your intellectual parameter. So friends, you see, you did or you place in position, you achieve position, you got position in matriculation examination. You got first class 10 years or 15 years back. But if you fail to renew your knowledge, then you never can adjust to the chance situations. You will not be able to face the challenges which the chance time has brought forward towards your life. And this is perhaps one of the reasons. Because of this, most of the administrators fail, most of the academicians fail to establish their identity, most of the legal experts fail to, establish their domination over their own area of expertise. Most of the politicians go out of order because they fail to, bring senses towards their own personality constantly according to means they have failed, or either they fail to renew knowledge or expertise as per the demand of science time. And without studying sociology or without studying positivism, we never can understand the importance or significance of the constant renewal of knowledge so as to cope with the challenges of science time, or challenges the science time has brought forward towards our life. Thank you so much. This much for today, because I have expressed before you that this is a very much lengthy subject area and we are to continue it, and after this class I will be able to come to the specific areas I will do. Thank you so much.